Let's do an Amazon unboxing. I just ordered a new floor length mirror for my bedroom. It is arched, gold accented, absolutely stunning, and it just came in the mail, so I was gonna unbox it for you guys and show you how it looks. I actually had to order a new floor length mirror because my dog ran into the last one and it fell and absolutely shattered months ago, and I thought I could live without it, but I can't, and I need it to complete this corner of my room. Let me show you what it looks like. I'm in the process of redoing my bedroom, and I want to put the mirror over here in this corner, and if I measured correctly, it should fit perfectly and really help to pull this space together because it feels a little empty on this side of the room. Like I said, it just came in the mail. I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. I will link it, but I wanna give you some tips on why I love using floor length mirrors in the bedroom space, especially if you have like a dead corner. Got it. It's supposed to be pretty big, which is kind of the reason I bought it. I wanted something a little bit more oversized so that, I don't know, it just takes up more of the space. I love a big mirror, especially with my job doing social media. It really helps filming videos and everything like that. So that was my thought. Oh my gosh, I am absolutely obsessed. Let's go style in my bedroom right this second. So one thing I wanted to know before I put the mirror in place, it actually does come with a stand. So if you're trying to style a mirror in a corner or somewhere that you just don't want to lean the mirror against the wall, it does have a stand. It also has mounting brackets, so if that's something that you're definitely looking for, this has both. And honestly, most mirrors do nowadays, but I just wanted to specify. Okay, you guys, I am so in love with how this turned out. I wanted two things. I wanted a mirror in the corner of my room to reflect more light because this is such a darker space in my bedroom. And two, I wanted a floor length mirror that was big. This is over 6 feet tall because I'm right at 5'11" and it's taller than I am. And it's over 3 feet wide, which is, it's a big one, but it's exactly what I needed in this space. I wanted something to fill this area and reflect light. It does both of those. It's absolutely stunning, and the mirror quality is amazing. Like I said, I got it on Amazon. It was around $200. I will link it below. But if you're in need of upgrading your bedroom or like a floor length mirror, check this one out. I love it so much. As an interior designer, I love incorporating floor length mirrors, especially into darker bedroom spaces or darker corners. I think it is an easy way to upgrade that space and make and expand the room, especially if you have a smaller one. I needed something that was larger, but if you have the room for it, I would go larger because it's something you're going to utilize and you will be astonished at how much it transforms the space in a big way. The reason I personally like using oversized mirror is because it will make the ceilings feel taller as well. Again, you're reflecting that light and you're drawing the eye upwards, which will again just give the illusion of taller ceilings, which is exactly what you want in a smaller bedroom. Guys, I hope that helped. I'm going to continue trying to share more about design, decor, and fashion on my channel in 2024, so make sure you're subscribed. But I linked this mirror plus a ton of different options that I personally love if you're in the market to expand your bedroom and make it feel a lot bigger.